Alright, this is the second part of that rooftop job. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to film it because it was raining like crazy. So we got all the units soldered in, wired in, up here, down there. Roofer still needs to come and fix this because it's dripping inside. Not my problem. One's all done. Yeah, it was raining like crazy all morning. So I did most of the inside work, and then finally when the weather broke, I came out here finishing up these ones now. This one's still pumping down. Or pulling it back in, I mean. Nice little job. Alright, might as well show you what these apartments looks like. This is a common hallway. I think this is apartment A. Oh boy. No room to move in here. Little Goodman 80,000 60,000 BTU 80 percenters, 2-ton coils, condensers, every single apartment, 5 of them. They're all basically cookie cutter. They're all the same. I like my way to keep the water off the furnace, a cardboard trough into a cardboard box on the floor. Yeah, roofers really need to, somebody needs to go up there, seal up around those line set penetrations. There's only 1 or 2 that are dripping though, the rest of them are dry. Another one. They're all the same. 60,000 BTU with 2-ton. And the last apartment. That's it.